After the Lotus Electra, let's go on to the other side. The other side, what do we have? We have Cafe. Oh, this is Avis. Avis is also renting out EV cars. So for those of you who are actually trying to consider which EV car is best for you, let me give you a suggestion. Rent one of this. This is a BYD Atto 3. Just simply rent one of these for one day or a few hours. Then you get a feel of the car. One of the best EVs that I've driven for a very reasonable price. BYD Atto 3. And then you can also rent the vans if you are trying to get electric vans for your office. Okay, today is the launching of Hyundai IONIQ 6. You see a lot of Hyundai IONIQ 6 on the road outside of the expo because they are doing a lot of test drive. So let's take a look at the, what do you call it, trademark color. Look at the pixel matrix design language, and this is actually a matte color, matte. Let's take a look at the face of the car. IONIQ 6. Here you go. This is the face of the Hyundai IONIQ 6. Very different, and the profile of the car I will show you shortly when the people clear up. Since our friend is opening up the front hood, let's take a look. Yeah, thank you very much for opening. Okay, what do you get? You get a battery up front, you get your motor there. That's your motor. You get a space for your charging cable, and then your fluids. That's about it. Not much insulation because this is a EV. A bit of insulation here. Gas struts for the hood, which is awesome. Look at the door handle. Flushed inside. Flushed inside. Look at the pixel matrix design language until the side indicator. The matte color looks quite nice. Okay, so if you don't know what is matte, the inside is actually your normal glossy color, if you can see the difference. So this car comes with a sunroof, which is fully open. You get your deflector up front. And okay, let me just close the door to show you I closed the door. Let me show you the profile of the car. Why do I want to show you the profile of the car? This car reminds me of the Citroën Palace. Citroën Palace. If those of you who lived long enough, you know what a Citroën Palace is. So the back really is reminiscent of the Citroën Palace. Pirelli tires, 245/40 R20, and normal calipers. Yeah. And at the back, look at the sunroof. Really digging it. Really cool, boy. And the shark fin antenna, almost transparent. Almost transparent. Can you see the inside? Okay, there goes the sunroof to a close. Cool. Will he open it up? Let's wait. Let's wait if he will open it up and see the mechanism working. Yes. Yes. Isn't that cool? Very cool, yeah? Okay, the back of the car. This is the back of your IONIQ 6. Beautiful. Pixel matrix light. Your Tetris looking lights. You get your camera. You get your switch to open your boot. And you get a lot of elements of pixel matrix. And then if you look at the side, look at the spoiler. Yeah, very interesting, eh? And then here you get your lights. You get your lights all the way down. And you get your IONIQ 6 badging, your sonar. Let's take a look at the boot. Dang dang. Okay, it's not really that big. and because of the sloping profile, oh, very disappointing. This particular piece is very disappointing. It's worse than the $70,000 car. Okay, anyway, you get a bit of storage and that's it. But this piece, Hyundai, you've got to do a better job. Power boot, insulated with carpet, yeah, but it's really, look at the struts, very big and huge, but nah, the piece of, yeah, AC/DC charger, auto, very nice. Look at the back, this is your Tesla looking door handle, just like your IONIQ 5. As you go in, what do you get? Hard plastic, hard plastic. This is a bit padded, PU or leather. This part is more like fabric, and if they go by the IONIQ 5, all these materials are made from either recycled sugarcane or whatever lah. So you get your door handles in matte satin chrome. You get your speakers here. You get a bit of space, but you can't really put in much. And then your leather seats, quite nice. You sit sunken. Your leg is quite well supported. Look at the guy. In terms of space, there's lots of space, ample leg room. Look at the floor. The floor is quite flat. You get your 2 USB-C charger and with your aircon vent. And then what's up at the top? Yeah, your sunroof. Can you see the spotlight? Spotlight? Yeah, this is a spotlight. And that's about it. You get a very small mirror. You get a very small glass window at the side. Let's look at the inside, Okay, look at the inside of the car. The shape of the wing mirror is a bit unique. And here, almost the same, hard plastic, a bit of ridges. And here, you get very big Bose speakers, grill. Speaker is just here. This grill is really humongous. You get your electronic power seats with lumbar support and knee. No, the seat is perforated. Quite nice leather texture and sports pedal. You get another layer at the bottom for storage, and you get a floating kind of, I don't know. And look at the cabin. This is your cockpit. Let's go inside. Okay, let me zoom out. You get a flat bottom steering. You get a drive mode. You get a very unique shape. Gloss black, fingerprint magnet. You get your ADAS. You get your screen. And this part is quite nice, quite modern looking. And you get this texture. Let me just zoom in for you. Okay, you get this texture, and then you get your ambient lighting, this white color going through, and all the buttons are in satin chrome, digital, turning off just blocking out the start-stop button so that the car will not have any mishap. You get USB-A, you get a Qi wireless charger, 2 cup holders, you get your auto hold, you get all your 4 windows control, you get your lock unlock, and then you get your window lock. And then let's take a look at the inside. You get 2 USB-C, very small space, but enough for you to put your wallet and the rest. Can I slide? I can't slide this. So that's about all. You get a frame rear view mirror. This is electrochromatic. And then look at the sunshade. Very big. All Korean cars have got very big mirrors. Quite scary for Malaysians because you're not as beautiful as they are. Okay, yeah, they have closed the sunroof, fully tinted, comes fully tinted, and you get this part. This is your lights. Let's turn on the light. You get a white light, just like your Countryman, Mini Countryman. And then you get two lights at the front, white in color. Okay, nice. You just open the glove box. Dek, buka sekali lagi. Buka sarung. Yang ni.
Oh ni.
Look at that. Very small and tiny glove box. Okay, terima kasih.
Okay, sama-sama.
Okay, the car has got 91% battery left, so range of 448, so it's probably about almost 500 kilometers lah on this car. So let's take a look at the front. Okay, the tat of the door is not too bad, not so empty, and yeah, this is the front of the car. You also get the heads-up display. So how much for this car? That's the most important question. IONIQ 6, how much is this car? Ding dong, come on. Let's type on specs. Okay. Normally they will not show you the price, knowing Hyundai. Yeah, I want to see the price, bro. I want to see the price. I can't see the price. Highlights. Yeah. Okay, comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. You get black, you get gold, you get biopic blue pearl, you get nocturnal grey, you get drive blue solid. But I don't get the price of the car, so too bad. Let me ask the Hyundai staff. Kak, berapa harga kereta ni?
Harga untuk yang all-wheel drive 319.
319 all-wheel drive, okay?
Kalau rear-wheel drive 289.
Kalau rear-wheel drive 289. 289 dan 319. Okey, terima kasih banyak. Berapa jauh dia boleh pergi?
Kalau untuk rear-wheel drive dalam 614 km.
Okey, rear-wheel drive 614 km.
Kalau all-wheel drive dalam 514 km.
Okey, 614 dengan 514. 100 km beza lah.
Betul.
Okey, terima kasih banyak. Bye-bye. Okay, so you got the range, you got the price, and this is the IONIQ 6. We're gonna probably do a test drive later. So IONIQ 5 on the side. Take a look. IONIQ 5 on the side. I still feel that the IONIQ 5 is a better looking car lah, compared to the IONIQ 6. What do you think? I still dig the hatchback kind of design. Look at the pixel matrix of the IONIQ 5, the lighting, very nice. Versus the IONIQ 6, a little bit no for me. Because we are all moving towards SUV, SUV, and this IONIQ 5. In fact, IONIQ 5 is much taller than the Hyundai Kona. If you know the height of Hyundai Kona, the IONIQ 5 is this much taller. So, comes with bigger wheels, and really nice and very powerful car to drive. So let's go on to the next booth. What booth is that? This is your Kineta charging. Kineta is actually a subsidiary of Dabi, and on display is actually the Taycan Turbo S, one of the best EV, but unfortunately I haven't got the chance to drive this car yet. Hopefully one day. So this is your ultimate luxurious EV lah. Okay, for those of you who are not driving a Porsche Taycan, you are poor. Okay, next let's go on to the other booths. What other booths are there? You have a Bank Islam counter over here. You get Dodo Mat using the BYD as their poster car. Bank Islam giving out freebies. Okay, BYD, yeah. Another.
Okay, so in 3, in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you're the one.
Okay.
What is that?
This is another highlight car. BYD Dolphin, already in camouflage, but we already know that this is the BYD Dolphin. So we can't see the car yet. We can only see the profile.
How many color options for Auto 3? Name me all the color options.
So this is how it looks like.
3.
Let me give you an idea.
Okay, so
A bit smaller than the BYD Atto 3, a bit lower, a bit. Let me see at the side, the width. The width of the car is also a bit slimmer. a bit narrower
You got it right.
compared to your BYD Atto 3.
Yeah, altogether we have 5 color, forest green, which we display over here, the ski white, the parkour red color is not displayed here.
But you have already seen the photos of BYD Dolphin, and I think the BYD Atto 3 is much better looking. Much better looking.
This is one of my most favorite features as well. Like you see.
That's about it for BYD. Let's go on to another counter. What other counters are there? You get a Mini. Your Mini, Mini. And this is an EV that is truly for the rich, because this car, it can't go very far. The range is a little bit limited. If I'm not mistaken, it's about 245 kilometers. But you see a lot of this in KL because all the rich people buying this car just to go to market and your grocery run. And on this part, you get, oh yeah, this wheel cup, okay. So you get my favorite car, BMW iX in red. You get BMW, what is this? iX1. This is my future car, iX1. Jangan main-main. Future dream car, iX1. And then you get your i4. This is the i4. Look at the i4. And then you get your X5. No, that's not an EV. You get your i7. So I've just reviewed this car yesterday, but in the midst of very loud music. I hope you can hear it. The i7, very affordable car. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Just look at the screen, boy. Let me zoom in. Oh, look at the screen. Mega big screen. Okay. Look at the curved screen inside. Amazing. And look at the front of the car. This car comes with, oh cool. Okay, the nose has got an outline of DRL. How amazing is that? Okay, your BMW i7. Now we get to see the headlights. We get to see that small light. So this is how it looks like. BMW i7, the truly worthy electric car. I think this is better than the EQS. In terms of size, in terms of proportion, in terms of magnanimity, magnanimous lah, the size lah, okay? That's what I mean. And then in terms of the presence, when you arrive in this, it's almost like a Rolls Royce already. When you arrive in the EQS, nah, nobody knows you, yeah? Okay, so this is a very nice and big car. And at a price of 708,000 or so, you get all this beautiful ambient lighting, finishing. Look at that. You get your M striping, you get the wood finishing, you get the leather seats, you get your kind of like pilot seats. Look at the seats. Your airplane first class pilot seats. So this is ultimate luxury at 700,000. So cars in Malaysia for the rich are becoming cheaper and cheaper, like i7, like the Tesla at 199,000. My goodness. If you are rich, this is your time. If you are poor, work harder to be rich. That's all. So thank you very much for checking out the Paul Tan EV Expo with me. That's all the cars that they have. This is not an EV car, so it doesn't count. And as compared to last year, so many new cars have arrived as compared to last year, so much more interest. Look at the number of people. Okay, as compared to last year, not so many people versus this year. And this year we got a new edition of the smart car, the Lotus Electra, the Hyundai IONIQ 6, the Audi Q8 Sportback e-tron. So the EV scene is becoming more and more exciting lah. So hopefully we get to see more cars next year. See you again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check out all the reviews that we have for all these EVs. See you again. Bye-bye.